Hello, welcome back to another section of this course. And in this lesson, we will be redesigning the Louis Vuitton logo. So let's get started. I'm going to move this to my output, and I'm going to decrease the size. The first thing I'm going to do right here is I'll have to type my LV, VL basically. I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to duplicate and I'll go to search for a font that are closer to this. In this case, I'll be making use of Trojan Pro. Yeah, this is okay for me. Then I'm going to duplicate again. Then for this, I'll convert to an outline. Then I'm going to ungroup it. And I'm going to get rid of this. So good. The next thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to draw my rectangle shape. I'm okay with this. I'm going to, and this is okay for me. I'm going to zoom out so I can see what I'm doing in detail. Good. The next thing I'm going to work on is I would like to make an adjustment to this by rotating it right here. So I think this is okay by me. Of course, I like it this way. And I'm going to reduce the size right here. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to draw a straight line. Not too long. Then one thing I would like to do right here is I want to align everything all together. Then this is okay. Good. So the next thing I'm going to work on is I needed something like this, like a rectangle, of course. Then I'm going to duplicate this right here to make the outer part of this. I'm going to decrease it. Then I'm going to increase the length. Good. So for this as well, I'm going to change this. I'll reduce it. And I'll draw it above just like this. Another thing I would like to work on here is I'm going to align everything all together using my direct selection tool. Sorry, I'm going to zoom out a bit. But before then, I think it's necessary for me to duplicate this. Sorry, you have to ensure you select it when using your direct selection tool. It's going to be annoying sometimes. Good, and this would come right here too. And this is okay for me. And for this section, okay, sorry. And for this section, I have to rotate it and see how it goes up there. It comes like this. So in this case, I'll be making use of my direct selection tool as well. Firstly, let me just align everything. And that's it. So that's perfect for me. And for this angle, I might want to like reduce this and reduce this. Sorry, I'm okay with that. And for this angle, I want to like try and reduce this. Just want something perfect for the design. I'm okay with this. So then the next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to select everything all together. On this, everything. Select everything all together. Then I'm going to merge everything. I'm going to unite it. So after doing this, I think the next thing I want to work on is this. I want to work on okay, to make everything looks perfect. So like it this way. Let's see how it goes. Perfect. Now I'm gonna get rid of all this. Sorry. Undo. Control Z to undo. I want to get rid of, okay. Since I will have to push this right here. To zoom out to see what I'm doing. Good, and this is what I wanted. I want a perfect straight line in the angle. So then the next thing I'm going to do right here is I want to work on the edges. So join. Then for here, sorry. I'm going to hold my shift. Good. Then I'll come here. I'll go to my direct selection tool. I'll zoom out. And then one thing I'm going to do right here is for this, I'm going to click this and I'll drag. Just want to increase the curve. Then I'm going to do the same thing right here as well. Good. So just wanted, and for this, can you see? So that's it. We have I think I might want to work on this as well. Okay. And this is it. So I'm done working on those edges. As you can see, that's the replication of the Louis Vuitton logo. You work on those edges and you get something more professional. Can you see? So that's how to replicate the Louis Vuitton logo. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.